morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel, The Silent Commoner. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for my analysis on the latest burning topics. Today, I'm going to present on the latest CAG report on Rafale deal discrepancies. To start with, let us first understand what is Rafale. Rafale is a twin-engine, medium multi-role combat aircraft. Now let us closely understand the sequence of events. In 2007, tenders for 126 MMRCA fighters were issued by India. In 2012, Dassault was announced as the lowest bidder. In 2015-16, in PM's visit to France, India's intention to buy 36 Rafale aircraft in flyaway condition, the deal was signed for rupees 59,000 crores. Recently, during the Indo-China combat, India received 5 Rafale fighters from France. Now let us compare and see which deal is more in line with the expectations as per the CAG report. First and foremost is the count of aircrafts. While in 2005, the deal was to procure 126 aircrafts. However, in 2016, the count was reduced by 70% to 36. This was a bit concerning. Secondly, 2005 deal entitled to technology transfer by the French supplier. But in 2016, this was not clear. And next, in 2005, cost of ban guarantee was part of the deal. However, in 2016, it was not, which accounted 25% of the overall deal. Then in 2005, India's specific enhancements are part of the deal, and in 2016, they were not. And finally, 2016 deal has delivery time of 71 months, which is 1 month lesser than the previous delivery deal of 72 months. So these are the 5 important deal-breaking pointers which form the core of this topic. Before we proceed, we should first look at what is an offset contract. Offset contracts are those a vendor chosen is required to invest a certain share of the purchase sum into the importing nation. The offsets proposal in question dealt with technology transfer for the development of an indigenous engine for light combat aircraft. For instance, in the offset of contract related to 36 aircrafts, the vendor Dassault Aviation and MBDA initially proposed to discharge 30% of their offset obligation by offering high technology to DRDO. However, DRDO officials say that the DRDO wanted to obtain technical assistance for the indigenous development of an engine, Kaveri, for LCA. Till date, the vendor has not confirmed the transfer of this technology. Let us also understand the price difference aspect here. We will now compare the price difference during the two deals. But before that, I will first tell what is an aligned price. Aligned price is like an adjusted price after economic indicators like inflation etc. are factored in. There are 14 items in this deal. The contracted prices of 7 items were higher than the aligned price. 3 items in the Rafale deal, including the basic aircraft, were procured at the same price. 4 other items were purchased at lower than aligned price, making the 2016 contract 2.86% cheaper than the previous cost. But there are 2 arguments: Defense Ministry versus CAG. The Defense Ministry has been arguing that the 2016 contracted price of 36 basic flyaway Rafale aircraft was 9% lower than the 2007 price. However, the CAG audit report found that the basic flyaway aircrafts were bought at the same price as that of 2007. So to conclude, here are the 4 major concerns of the report apart from those listed in the previous charts. Firstly, the deal could not be signed in 2012 because Dassault Aviation, the jet's manufacturer, was not the lowest bidder. This flew in the face of Modi's government claims that the deal was signed as an emergency purchase because Dassault had emerged as L1 lowest bidder in the UPA government. Secondly, the original issue of bringing down the total acquisition from 126 to 36 aircrafts was not given much attention. Thirdly, the CAG's assessment of savings in India's specific enhancements to be around 17% is also not properly documented and needs deeper examinations. And finally, Anil Ambani's company was given the offset deal, though they were never into defense. This is alarming and raised eyebrows of experts in the industry and opposition. That's all I have for today, friends. I hope you liked my analysis. Feel free to provide feedback. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is your silent commoner signing off.